Yo, good morning, guys. Dude, we're back with another video. I just woke up, and today I am going to be planning my day, just like usual. I'm about to work out as well. I'm gonna shave the beard, the mustache. You already know, but I'm gonna set up this tripod. I'm gonna do some working out, alright? We're gonna do some working out. Alright, I gotta get my glasses though. So I'm gonna set the phone to the tripod, and essentially, we're gonna work out together. Guys, don't worry. I'm getting braces on the 21st. I'm getting big. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, let's go. Alright. Moral of the story today is that you gotta be disciplined, bro. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I am being disciplined. Okay, here we go. Let me set this up to the tripod. I am being disciplined. Alright. Here we go. Bam. Now I can work out. You guys ready? Here we go. Let's move the stuff over back. You guys can't see anything though. Hold up, let's move it up. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Alright. Oh. Into the thick of it. Alright, we're gonna get rich together, guys, I promise you. I'm just gonna lift some weights. But guys, like when you have goals in your lives that you're trying to achieve, bro, don't let anyone discourage you. You can seriously do that shit yourself. You don't need anyone but yourself. Seriously. You don't need anyone but yourself. Oh yeah, look at that. Into the thick of it. Bro, you don't need anyone. You can do it all yourself. I'm gonna change the world. Yeah, I know this is a pretty boring video, but bro, I'm documenting stuff that I don't want to do right now. It's like 9 in the morning, right? You gotta sacrifice your comfort with discomfort to achieve what you want. Because realistically, I'd have what I want right now. Life isn't that easy though. Because you're the one who makes it easy. I mean, it is easy, right? But it's also hard. But that's okay. Who's complaining? Let's do it this way too. Do some shoulder shrugs. Alright. we're gonna change the world together. I promise you. We're gonna change the world together. I know this was a boring video, guys, but look, let me talk to you. Alright? Guys, you can seriously do whatever you want. I'm living proof of it, bro. Bro, you can literally do whatever you want. I promise you. Okay? We're seriously going to be changing the world together. We are. I don't know how far you are in this video, but I love you, man. I love you. We are going to change the world together. Have an amazing day.